Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile again with another property tour. Today I got a 2-bed, 1-bath, first floor apartment for sale in Northriding. Come on in. So it is in Telford Court on Dexter Road in Northriding. So come in and have a look. So here we've got the kitchen. So you can have one under-counter appliance. We have the stove. We have an under-counter oven and an extractor fan. So it's a pretty spacious kitchen with a space for a breakfast bar as well, double sink, and it's open plan which leads to the lounge. So here we have the lounge, also pretty spacious, and a small work from home desk, as you can see. Yes. And then let's go on to the small balcony. I say small because it is small. But yes, yeah, it's ideal for you to just hang your things and put extra things there, not necessarily for you to have a braai. Okay, back inside, as you can see, the kitchen and the lounge all open plan and spacious. You can fit a double door fridge there as well. Prepaid electricity throughout the complex. Extra linen cupboard on the right, and then we've got the first bedroom here. It is a built-in cupboard, as you can see, and both bedrooms have carpets on the floor. So yeah, on to the bathroom. So it is a full bathroom with a bathtub and a shower. We've got a vanity mirror there and vanity basin as well, and space for toiletries underneath the basin. So there's the towel rack, the toilet, and the bath, as you can see. And then to your right is your shower. Okay, great. Now on to the main bedroom. For me, they're more or less the same size. I guess this one would be the main because it has 2 plugs instead of 1. Also has carpets and built-in cupboards as well. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. This is ideal for a first-time homeowner, starting out, small family, young couple, or single young professional, or it's ideal for an investor who's going to rent it out. And that is the apartment, ladies and gentlemen. Click on the link below to schedule your private viewing.